Hey guys, today I'll show you how to sync items from your Monday.com board to your external calendar. First, make sure your board has either a date column or a timeline column filled out for each item you want to sync. Next, on the date or timeline column header, click the three-dot menu, Settings, then Customize Date or Timeline column. Under Sync column to calendars, click Sync next to Google Calendar or other calendars for Outlook, Apple, and etc. After clicking Sync, choose whether to sync items assigned to me or all items on this board. Then click Sync to generate a new calendar feed or link. If you're syncing with an external calendar, copy the URL or link provided and paste it in your calendar app like Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar by subscribing to the feed. This will display your Monday.com items alongside your regular calendar events. And that's how you sync items to a calendar in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.